Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in a Satin Steel Metallic. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our Denali badging up top, and of course our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in navigation to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left we have our volume scroll wheel, and of course down below we have our dual climate controls. Further down you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports and our AC outlet here on the right hand side. Down below we have our wireless charging pad, additional storage over here as well as down below, 2 cup holders, and inside the middle console you'll see we do also have our SD, our USB-C, USB charge ports, and our aux outlet. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and of course over here you'll find our drive modes and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, our heated steering wheel controls, and of course our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. Down below we have our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Up top we have our digital rear view display that you can turn on and off by the flick of a switch. And of course our universal home garage opener and our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather heated seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course in the middle you'll find our heated seat controls, as well as our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, we also have some storage in the seats itself as well as underneath. If we take a look in the middle, we do have our cup holders, and last but not least we do have our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the Sierra, we have our classic chrome Denali grille with our front facing camera in the middle, as well as our chrome tow hooks at the bottom. We also have our LED headlights and fog lamps, and moving along to the side here you'll see this vehicle does come equipped with paint protection on the front. Moving along to the tires, we have our 22-inch rims on Bridgestone tires, chrome accents on our mirrors, handles, and around our windows, keyless entry like I mentioned earlier, and if we open up the doors we have our automatic running boards deployed. We have tint in the rear window, and moving along to the back here you'll see we do have our black tonneau cover up top, corner assist steps on each side, as well as our dual chrome exhaust. At the bottom we have our spare tire, and of course our MultiPro tailgate. To get the first half down, just press the top button. It'll come down no problem. Of course you can turn this into a step when needed, and if you'd like the whole thing, just press the second button. It'll come down no problem to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here in the right hand corner. And that is our 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in a Satin Steel Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help any questions you may have.